welcome back. I am Angie's Choice. So our DIY recipes, gift ideas continue. I mean our Xmas gift idea recipes. This time around we are going to be making creating some simple recipes for our kids. Okay, the kids can use it, and anybody with sensitive skin can also use it. We are just making this soap with simple ingredients. Okay, so here I have my soap base. This is organic Clycerin soap base. That's what I'm using. And here I have my gold 24 karat gold shimmer mica that I'll be adding to it. You know, is the soap is for kids. Kids like something that glitters. And here I have my fragrance oil. I'll be using my J&J baby shampoo fragrance oil. Okay, so you can use any kids fragrance oil that you have available at home. If you don't have any kids fragrance oil, you can use lavender essential oil for this recipe. And here I will be adding also my camphor. Here I have my Camphor Essential oil. So you can use Camphor Essential oil or just use lavender essential oil. What I am using here is the things I use for my kids soap that I know their skin loves. Okay, you don't need much ingredients for kids soap, but if you want to add more additives, you can add. Sometimes I add some herbs to it depending on their skin situation. But this is just a DIY idea. You can customize yours further. Okay, so let's get started.
It's a Boom J production.
Okay guys, so here is the finished product of our soap. So you can see how they're glittering. So there you have it, 24 karat gold infused soap. Kids love this. Anytime I'm making it, my daughter will be, "Mom, you don't sell our soap, oh." So don't worry, this is special for you. It makes their skin glow after bathing with it. Alright guys, so that will be it for today's tutorial. Stay organically beautiful. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.